Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to your last video lesson for the year. So we're just going to be going over the review for verbs that you should know, verb tenses you should know up to this point. And again, this is only covering regular AR, ER, and IR verbs. There's no irregulars on here. All right, so present tense, this is the first thing that you guys learned in Spanish 1. And all of the verb charts are here. And I'm just going to go through and answer the questions. So, the girl swims in the ocean. La chica nada en el océano. The university students live in dormitories. Los estudiantes de la universidad viven en los dormitorios. We learn about Barack Obama in history class. Nosotros aprendemos. Okay. Ir a plus infinitive. So this is what we use when we're talking about things that are going to happen. And this is different from future tense because in the future tense we say will, like something will happen. And this is going to happen instead of will happen. So you take your verb ir, voy, vas, va, vamos, van. You do the letter A. And then you add your infinitive verb after. So the students on the track team are going to run 900 miles today. Los estudiantes de atletismo are going to run. Van a correr. And it is going to rain today. Va a llover hoy. And we are going to eat all the ice cream in the world. Vamos a comer todo el helado del mundo. Muy bien. All right. Present progressive. You learned this in Spanish 1 as well, I think second semester. So you use the verb estar to talk about who's doing something and what they are doing. So, estoy, está, estamos, están. And then you add on the verb with ando or iendo at the end, which is equivalent to ing for us. So you all are learning right now. Todos están aprendiendo ahora. The cat is eating a fish. El gato está comiendo un pez. All right, el pretérito. We started introducing past tense to you guys, second semester Spanish 2, and then we reviewed it a lot first semester Spanish 3. Preterite is one of the past tenses. There's two, and this one is for actions that are finished or have like a specific beginning and end time frame to them. It has lots of accents, and it also has lots of irregulars, so just be on the lookout for that. And we have the boy began driving last week. El chico empezó a manejar la semana pasada. And I ate a chocolate cake yesterday con me. Imperfecto, this is the other kind of past tense, and this is for an ongoing or unfinished action. So basically this is like a description or something that hasn't quite finished yet or something that was habitual in the past. Got all of our endings there. The friends talked every day of the week. Los amigos hablaban cada día de la semana. The family attended church on Sundays. La familia asistía a la iglesia los domingos. Okay, present perfect. This is something we learned second semester, Spanish 3, and it's when someone has done something. There's also lots of irregulars with this one. So the part about who it is e, as, a, hemos, an, and then what they did is the verb, but you remove the ending and replace it with ado or ido, depending on the original ending in the verb. And again, there's lots of irregulars in this one. So the man has slept for 2 days. So he has is a, and then slept is dormido. You have helped make a chocolate cake. Has is you have, and then ayudado. Okay, a little preview and extension into what you might be encountering in Spanish 4 or in pre-AP. So you can use this in the subjunctive. Instead of using a, asa, hemos, an, you would do aya, ayas, aya, ayan, and ayamos. And then the past participle stays the same. So you'd be referring to something that someone has already done in your subjunctive sentence. So for example, I hope they have studied. Espero que hayan estudiado instead of I hope they study, which is kind of what we focused on, like just present tense. So the example for you to try was, you are sad that they have left. So estás triste de que. So there is our first subject and trigger and que, just like normal. And now they have left. So my subjunctive verb is hayan. And then I just do the past participle like normal. Salido. All right. And you can also try it with past tense. So usually this means someone has done something, but if you want to say they had done it, then you would use these. Había, habías, había, habíamos, habían, and past participle. So this example actually came from the book. There was a lot of these in the book. Felipe Aló had won many games. Había ganado muchos partidos. So the students had worked hard. Los estudiantes habían trabajado muy duro. All right, subjunctive, everyone's favorite. So again, just review the you weirdo triggers, remembering two subjects separated by K, and then the actual subjunctive is go to yo, drop the O, add the opposite ending. So we've got a couple examples. I doubt that the students hate the subjunctive. Dudo que los estudiantes odien el subjuntivo. It's a shame that my dog can't speak Spanish. Es una lástima que mi perro rojo no pueda hablar español. Oops. El futuro. So this is what we most recently have worked on. And again, the difference between this and irá plus infinitive is future tense is saying something will happen, and irá plus infinitive means something's going to happen. So, sun's in my eyes. There we go. Okay. So we add this on to the end of the verb, and it's got a lot of accents, and we only have one. I will finish with this long review. Terminaré. And that's it. So let me know if you need any extra review or have questions on any of these, and I'll see you in book club and our Zoom on Thursday.